So on the front end, we got a couple of pages, and namely when we open the app, when we just visit this website for the first time, we are on mycoolpage.com/nothing. What should be visible on this starting page? Well, I want to show a list of users there. So this list of users where we can click a user to then be taken to the places of that user. Speaking of that, we need a route, and now these are all front-end routes, which are interpreted by React, or to be precise, a library that supports routing in React and which will not be interpreted by our backend. So we also want to have a route there on the front end for some dynamic user ID, which we don't know in advance, /places, which should load all the places for that specific selected user. I also want to have a /authenticate or /auth route, which shows us a page that holds the sign up and login forms between which we can toggle, and also a /places/new route, which shows us a new place form. In addition, we need a /places/someplaceID route, which leads us to the page where we see the update place forms, so where we can enter the new data for a selected place. Now, on the front end, not all pages are visible all the time. The list of users is always reachable, and so is the list of places for a selected user. These are always reachable no matter if we, the visitor of this page, are logged in or not. The only difference is that when we're viewing the list of places, when we're not logged in, or if we are logged in but we didn't create the places we're looking at, we'll not see the edit and delete buttons. We'll only see those if we are logged in and we're the creator of a given place. Now, if we are trying to authenticate, this page should only be reachable if we're currently not authenticated. Because if we are authenticated, it makes no sense to try to log in again. We already are logged in after all. Now, for a new place and update place, it's the opposite. These pages, these front-end routes, should only be reachable by users who are authenticated, so who did log in or who did just sign up. And these will be our front-end pages. Now, you don't need to memorize all of what we walked through in this module. Instead, I hope that this module just helps you plan your next project. We will now go ahead and implement all these different things step by step in the different modules of this course. This is just our general agenda, and with that, we're well prepared to start working on the real code.